Designing a website in WordPress involves a user-friendly approach, especially with the availability of themes and plugins. Here's a concise guide. Install WordPress. Set up WordPress on your hosting provider. Many hosting platforms offer one-click installations. Choose a theme. Select a WordPress theme that aligns with your website's purpose and style. Themes determine the overall look and feel. Customize appearance. Use the WordPress customizer to personalize your site. Modify colors, fonts, and layout settings to match your brand identity. Add pages and content. Create essential pages such as home, about us, services, and contact. Populate them with relevant content, including text, images, and multimedia. Install essential plugins. Enhance functionality with plugins. Install essential plugins like Yoast SEO for search engine optimization and Contact Form 7 for contact forms. Configure settings. Navigate to the WordPress settings to configure general settings, permalinks, and reading options. Adjust site title and tagline for better SEO. Create a menu. Organize your navigation menu under Appearance Menus. Add pages and categories to create a user-friendly navigation structure. Widgets and sidebars. Utilize widgets and sidebars to add additional features or information. Common widgets include recent posts, categories, and search bars. Responsive design. Ensure your website is responsive by selecting a mobile-friendly theme. Test your site on various devices to guarantee a seamless user experience. Regular updates and backups. Keep WordPress, themes, and plugins updated for security. Implement regular backups using plugins like Updraft Plus.